this here, we're going to make a drain. We're going to widen the road. Gotta check on the other gate. There's 2 entrances here. 3 actually. But this is the best area. This is where the well's gonna go once we can save up and have real water. It's gonna be nice. Once you know how to make a well that's like right under here, is gonna be a beautiful spot for the well. The other property down there of ours, the water's gonna pour right down there. We have to put a culvert there too. Well, we just got done doing the barbed wire. And we did that today. I'm so tired today. That trailer is a nightmare, I swear. I should have got one that was in good shape. But no, something wanted me to have this one, and even though I guess it's a learning experience. We're gonna move the small trailer tomorrow up with the big one. So all the way over here, the water will come down here, down at the culvert. We've got 2 channels in the property, so the water will come off the street so it doesn't wash the street out, because fortunately we're right at that spot. The gate, it's all done. But here's the work we just did. It's like Guatemala Bay. That's nice. Keeps wolves, bears at bay for now. But 911 only works for the rich ones. So I collect guns. That's what they say. So all this is going to be cleaned up. Just got done digging up rocks and putting everything together. And what we did was we made a culvert out of concrete. This thing will last forever. Put it down at the bottom. So all the water's just going to pour right out of there and right into there and down into the trees. So it was a lot of fun work, I'll tell you. But it's done. We're going to have massive amount of water during the winter time, and the snow melts. We get so much water, it's not even funny. So we cut 2 trails down there and down there, because that's where they come off the mountain. Fortunately, right there, in between there. Like if you saw my videos of with the backhoe that I'm fixing, I do have one issue with the backhoe. I'm not an expert. Those hoses at the bottom where they hook to the boom, how do you get them loose? We tried everything. We pulled the whole cylinder off. I'm gonna rebuild that. But that hose, I gotta replace it. I don't want to take a chance, but I can't take it apart. I can't get the hose to come across. I don't know how you get in that little space. I can't get the wrenches in there. I don't know everything, but you know, if you guys know something how to get those hoses off, I'll show a photo of it. But I'm not sure. So here's the culvert. The water's going to rush down here like a river in 2 different directions. And it's going to come down here, and it's going to get funneled through and blasted through there, and it's going to come out with a whole bunch more PSI, pounds per square inch. So the concrete here is much thicker. And we'll let that sit for a couple of 2 weeks, and then we'll fill in around here with the dirt, and we'll have cleanup crew. Cleanup time. And oh yeah, I forgot to close the gate. We're gonna move all that wood there out of the way so we can burn it when the winter comes. We're just gonna set it ablaze, get it out of here, flatten that out, put a mound over there so it covers the shed. We're not gonna leave it like that, so you won't be able to see over there. What I don't like about that is the people drive by on the road and you can just, until these trees are coming. They're gonna be beautiful in a couple of years. But for right now, People just see us out there, you know. If I have to shower right outside with a big water bed, like, hey there. I gotta get one of these things, I forgot what you call them, two like eye bolts, and you twist them and they tighten up. Because these things, they're not doing it. They're not doing it. I'm not gonna lock the gate because some friend's coming up tomorrow. So all this will be cleaned up. I'll flatten out the road with a rake. Once I get the backhoe down there, now that it's dry, I can get that monster and start building. Funds are what's keeping us, you know, that 700 miles every time I come down here until I can get going. But the things I need is a builder's permit, a building, and a septic tank, and a water tank. I mean, water. So I'm gonna have to install that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this a roundabout. That shed is just gonna be a shed. I told my lady that, you know, we should invest in that shed. We can get another one that actually has all the parts on it and not have to deal with it. This hole that fills up, it's dry now. A lot of times that will be full of water. It comes out through there. So it's actually kind of nice. Red, white, and blue. The American burn barrel. So back here, we started going around this part of our property now. This is just the initial rake of the road. We're cutting into the ground too deep. So cutting down, and everything is just a learning experience. That's a big rock there. These volcanic rocks, man. These things are huge. We're going around here all the way up to the disaster trailer. I'm leveling it right now. Detached the small fifth wheel over there with the special build that I built. A little tiny trailer I showed. I made a military trailer into a fifth wheel. So it allows me to pull fifth wheels with any vehicle that has a hitch. But the problem is backing up is a pain. So we're not going to go all the way over there. There's too much trees, too much shrubbery. This is the easiest spot right here to cut a road through and blast right straight ahead. We took down massive amounts of layers. Big rocks. Had to do that in sections. Even the skid steer had some issues. There's huge rocks right here. But we'll get them. Right there, you can see. We're going to cut away. And we're going to go right straight ahead and around to the left where those flags are. I hear a car.